Today I felt like doing space buns, so I did. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne and I'm really glad that you're here. In today's video, I thought it would be a fun idea to look back at the past 5 months of IPSY GLAM BAG Plus that I've gotten and look at the products that I'm still using after 5 months and break down the cost to see if I think that it is actually worth the money. I have been getting the IPSY GLAM BAG Plus for 5 months. That is $25 a month for 5 months. That's $125. Starting in January, I did move my subscription to every other month simply because I was getting a lot of products that I felt like I wasn't really using, and the products were starting to pile up. And I was starting to feel a little guilty that I had so many makeup products and beauty products that I actually just never touched or used. One, because I was getting so many at the time that I didn't have time to fully appreciate the products that were being sent. And also, you don't get to choose all of the products that come in your box, so sometimes you just don't like the majority of what's in your box. Now that it is January 2021, I thought it would be fun to look back at some of the past products that I've really been loving, I still use almost every single day or at least every single week, and break down the cost of how much those would cost full price versus how much I'd paid in 5 months. So I thought this would be a fun video idea. I hope that made sense. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. I actually did get a lot of really great products that I really enjoy using almost every day or every other day or so. And I want to talk about them. So I want to start with the month of August. That was the first month that I got my very first IPSY Glam bag. And the first product that I think was a standout product that I still use every single day were the LaRousse Face Makeup Brush Set. There were 5 in the group, and these are the only 2 that I don't already have in like one of my makeup bags that I'm using. But I really enjoy these makeup brushes. I think they are great quality, high quality. The bristles are really soft. The handles are really nice and like rigid, so they're really nice to hold on to. They're a good size, and I use them every single day. The LaRousse brushes retailed for $134, and I'm really glad that I got these brushes because I would not pay $134 for a brush set. I just wouldn't. So the LaRousse brushes I highly recommend. I wouldn't buy them on my own, but I'm really glad to have them. The next product is a skin product. It is the 111 Skin ATP Sports Booster. It was a serum, and I have used it all up. I loved it. I loved it, every single drop of it. I used it every single day until it was gone, and I'm really sad it's gone because this retails for $135. $135, yeah. I did love this so much that I replaced it with a serum type product. I ran to Target and purchased a vitamin C serum that I use, and I've been enjoying it. So I'm really glad that the 111 Skin Sports Booster was in my bag, but I would not repurchase this on my own. So between the first 2 products that I've talked about, we've already way surpassed the $125 I spent last year, but let's keep going. So those 2 products are the only products that I kept and enjoyed in the month of August. So 2 out of 5 I truly enjoyed and I still talk about. So the next month is September. Obviously, September comes after August. I know. Anyway, so the first product I don't physically have because I've already used them and they are consumables, so I've thrown them away, but I will post them right here. It is the Star Skins face masks. There were 2, and 2 retails for $17.25, and I loved these so much. I think I used both of the face masks, like one maybe at the beginning of a week and the other at the end of the week. And I really love these face masks. They are a little pricey. They're pricier than what I would normally pay for a face mask. I would like to repurchase them. I do think that those masks were worth $17.25 for 2. I think that after I used them, my skin felt amazing. I would repurchase those. I just kind of keep forgetting about it. But anyway, so that is the first product of September. The second product that I loved in my September IPSY Glam bag was my Wander Beauty Liquid Eyeliner. This is in my everyday makeup bag. I love a felt tip liquid eyeliner for my little cat flicks. And this has lasted me, 3 months? 4 months? And it is still so liquidy and pigmented. It's amazing. I love it. The Wander Beauty liquid eyeliner retails for $22. Now, that is above the price point that I really am willing to pay for a liquid eyeliner. I think that you can get some decent ones from the drugstore, but I do really enjoy this. So $22 for like my new favorite liquid eyeliner, and I don't know if I would repurchase it. I guess we will see. I will keep you updated on whether or not I repurchase a Wander Beauty liquid eyeliner once this one runs out. Moving on to the next product that I really enjoyed in September. September, I think, was a really good month for my IPSY Glam Bag, and that is a lip gloss. This is the Ofra lip gloss in the color Natural. It is just a opal, like an opal glittery gloss. It's very natural. That's why it's called Natural. Okay. It's very beautiful. This is in my everyday makeup bag. It's a very good lip gloss if you're just, I don't know, putting on some gloss, I guess. The Ofra lip gloss retails for $15. I would not pay $15 for a lip gloss, but I am really glad to have it in my makeup collection. And that is all for September. So the next month that follows September is October. And the first product that I am loving from my October IPSY Glam Bag is another lip gloss from House Laboratories. I talked about this one in my decluttering video, but it is just a really pretty red lip gloss. It's actually very pigmented. I keep this in my everyday bag as well, but it just looks very natural on the lips, like you might naturally have like a red shade to your lips, and I think it's beautiful. This is in the shade Work, and the House Laboratories lip gloss retails for $18. I do think this is a beautiful lip gloss. I don't know if I am interested in repurchasing like any other shades that she's got, but I am glad to have the red one in my collection. I think it's beautiful. The next product in my October IPSY Glam Bag is a skincare product, and it is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion, and I love this. You can't use it every day, but it is a very, very fine physical exfoliant, and it makes your skin feel so soft when you're done using it. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion retails for $58, and this is only 2 ounces of product. So this is a pricey skincare product, but I do really love it. So if anybody has any recommendations for a very fine physical exfoliant that's like pretty sensitive on the skin, then please leave your recommendations down below, because I am looking to replace this once I'm out of it, but I don't think I'm willing to pay the $58 price point. But I am really glad to have received this in my bag. So that is all for October, and we're moving into November. Now, November was a pretty good month because I ended up loving and keeping 3 of the 5 products. So the first product that I really loved in my November bag is the Sugar Rush Lip Oil. And I talked about this in my decluttering video. It's just a sheer, I don't even know why I'm bothering to swatch it, but it's just a sheer lip oil. It is so comfortable on the lips. I love this so, so much. But here's the kicker. The Sugar Crush lip oil costs $15 retail, and I think that's kind of pricey for a lip oil just because like basically every single drugstore at this point makes a lip oil, and I don't really know how they compare to this one, but I do really, really enjoy this one. It's in my daily makeup bag. If I feel like my lips need a little sip of water, I will usually just go ahead and put this on, especially because I'm wearing a mask all day anyway. Sugar Crush lip oil, it's a yes for me. I really have been enjoying this. The next product, and it is one of my favorite products. I think I talk about this in like almost every single video I make. For some reason, I find a way to like squeeze it in there. But it is the Complex Culture Lip Cream in the shade Mauve Nude. It is just a very natural color, especially on my lips. I think it's like my shade, but like more pronounced. It is so pretty and comfortable on the lips. It sinks right in, and honestly, it feels like it's just a lip moisturizer with a beautiful, beautiful shade. The Complex Culture Lip Cream retails for $18, and honestly, I love this product so much that yes, I think I would repurchase this and some of the other shades that they have. I am really interested in trying Fenty's lip creams that they just came out with, and I think I might end up trying some of those this year, but I really do enjoy the Complex Culture lip creams, and I highly recommend them. So she is one of my favorite products that I've gotten in all of my bags. Like, she is a standout product to me. So love her. The last product that I got and enjoyed in my November IPSY Glam Bag, and I've talked about her a lot as well, but she is the Julep eyeshadow stick. I'm running out of swatch room. She is in the shade Bronze Shimmer. The Julep eyeshadow stick retails for $14, and I did see that actually Target stocks these, so I think I'm going to try and pick some up. This one is very universal. I could wear this in the daytime with just some mascara. I can move this to nighttime and just put a wing on it and just smoke it out. It's really, really beautiful and creamy, and I love it so much. So the Julep eyeshadow sticks, I am so glad that I got and that I discovered this year, because if I ever see any more shades that they come out with that I really like, I will be picking them up. I think they are so easy. There's a smudger on the end of it, so right there you have like your eyeshadow brush almost, and you can just smoke it out and diffuse it a little bit, and it looks beautiful. So I have been loving the Julep eyeshadow sticks. Yes. Okay, moving on to my December bag, and unfortunately, I mean, it is still the beginning of January, but I can usually tell when there's a product that I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of, like just keep using it every single day. And unfortunately, there wasn't an item like that in the December bag. There was one hair item that I have used every other day or every other day. The R & Co Centerpiece Elixir. I have been loving this. I put this in my hair after I get out of the shower, and then I'll either put my rollers in or I'll wait until my hair dries in the next morning and I can curl it or straighten it or whatever have you. The R & Co Elixir actually retails for $32, and no, I would not pay $32 for a product like this. I think the drugstore has plenty of products that do the very similar thing, but I do think it smells amazing, and I am glad to have it in my collection. So I will use her up until I can't use her anymore. But no, I would not repurchase her. So that is all 11 of the products out of the 25 products that I received in my IPSY Glam Bag in the last 5 months. In the last 5 months, as I've mentioned, I paid $125 for 5 IPSY Glam Bag Pluses. And when you total up the value of the 11 products that I am genuinely so glad to have in my collection, it comes to be $478.25. So there are a lot of products that I get in this bag that I would never pick up on my own, but in this instance, there are a couple of handfuls of products that I am genuinely so glad that I have and that I have discovered through the IPSY Glam Bag, and I paid a fraction of the cost for them. So I am going to go ahead and keep my subscription. I have moved it, like I mentioned in the earlier part of the video, I have moved it to every other month so that I can have time to truly enjoy these products that have been sent in my bags. And so far, I think I have done just that. So if you're on the fence about getting one of these subscription boxes or bags, I would say go for it. I think that for the value of the products that you're getting, I do think that you are saving money, especially if you are a makeup collector or you like to try a lot of beauty products. I think it's just a wonderful way to try out products that you probably wouldn't pick up on your own or that you wouldn't be willing to pay for on your own. And I have really been enjoying my IPSY Glam Bag subscription. It's kind of like a little gift that I send to myself every month. Well, now it's every other month, but you get what I'm trying to say. I have really been enjoying it, and I think that you would too if you like to play with makeup and experiment with makeup and kind of just see what's out there in the world. I would highly suggest something like a subscription box. 11 products worth $478. That's crazy. Like, I would never pay that on my own. And I am really happy to have tried some of the brands that I've tried through IPSY Glam Bag. So with all that being said, my IPSY Glam Bag review has come to an end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you want to see more videos from me, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!